Hi guys, and welcome back to Extreme Garage with me and Lawrence. Back out in the Dennis today. Now that we've all stickered up and the paintwork's been done, we were wondering what we could get for free while out about in the fire engine. So, as we're only around the corner from the toll road, before our first port of call will be to try the toll road. So we're going to attempt the toll road today to see if we can get through for free. That'd be pretty good if we can. Oh wow, look at that. Right, let's get up to speed now. That's out. Picking door and locked. I need to fix this door. The door just won't shut properly. Oh well, we'll deal with that. Right, yeah, we sat at 50 mile an hour now, and I tell you what, absolutely lovely on the motorway. This is. It's quite comfortable. But then again, it is fairly newish tarmac on here. It doesn't get used very much, so it is very smooth. I mean, look at this for a Sunday. It's so quiet. It's so quiet on here. Well, it doesn't get used enough, does it? I don't know if it's because of the price or what, but I always use it when I'm travelling to and from places. I don't like sitting in the queues on the M6. HGVs keep left. We're not a HGV. We don't carry any goods, so we will stay in the main toll plaza. Okay, we need to pick one with a person on. I'm going to go for the one with the white car next to the Range Rover there. I'm going to go that one. Slow down a bit now, let him get through, let him get through, let him get through, let him get through, let him get through. Right, then we'll switch to covertness now. Oh, we go to the one with the Range Rovers. We'll slow up now a bit now. Let's see if I'll put my window down just in case and see if we can get through. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, oh, thank you. Let's there you go. If you want to get through the toll plaza for free, buy yourself a fire engine. Now, let's be straight, that was the second attempt we've had. The first attempt I got through and she asked me if I was on duty, which I am not, so I did have to pay, and I did pay it. And, but yeah.
Second time, lucky.
Yeah. So, where should we go now? Should we go to the end of the toll road? We'll come off here, come off the A34. So, stage one, toll roads, they're free. Let's see what else we can do. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to go and click subscribe somewhere down here. And press the bell notification icon so you get notified every time I upload. Now I think we'll just have a drive around town now for a bit actually. Free. I love free stuff.